Hey all, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today we will be talking or reviewing the DropCourse.com. So this platform right here is an all-in-one platform that lets users resell done-for-you online courses with built-in tools like AI voiceover, Canva templates, chatbots, and a viral content vote. It's praised for being beginner-friendly and includes everything from landing pages to community support. Users like its plug-and-play setup and easy of use. With strong reviews, however, it makes bold income claims, offers no refunds, and provides little transparency about its creators, which raises some caution. If you're looking for a fast way to start a course business and don't mind taking the risk, then Drop Course could be worth exploring but approach with research. That's all. Thank you.